A little disclaimer in the beginning of the video for you guys. This is going to be messy. 30, so almost 37 weeks. One moment. Why am I like this? Why am I like this, guys? That feels good. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Humaira. If you're new here, by the title of this video, you guys know what we're talking about today. So I will be sharing with you guys all of my pregnancy favorites, from clothing to exercise to random objects and so many other things. A little disclaimer in the beginning of the video. One, I tend to forget a lot of things. So if I forget what I'm talking about in the middle of a conversation, pregnancy brain, excuse me guys, I have no control over that. That's one. Two, I run out of breath, so just like now I run out of breath. And three, yeah, it could get a bit messy, so excuse me please. But yeah, let's get into the video. First of all, I want to tell you guys how far along I am. I am currently 30, so almost 37 weeks. So we're almost at the finish line. Actually, let's talk about this first item. This is going to be messy. But anyway guys, this is a water bottle, as you can see. So this water bottle has been my best friend, I believe, since the beginning of my second trimester, because I was getting really dehydrated. I was craving a lot of water, and it's not too bulky. It's actually my husband's water bottle, so he uses this when he goes out for sports. Yeah, he got it from Miniso, and I felt it was the perfect size for me to fill up. And it's about this is about how many liters? Okay, it's not written here, but this is quite big. I fill it up with my Zamzam water to stay hydrated, and I go through about 3 or 4 or even more of this during the day. So with the heat wave that has been going around the past couple of months, we have to stay hydrated. So yeah, I always have this by my side every single day. Yeah, so next item, AntiAcid. At the beginning of my first trimester, I went through so much acid reflux. The only anti-acid that I could find that worked for me and helped me with all the gas was this one. It tastes amazing, it smells amazing, it has different flavors in this. Taking this after a lot, after food or after a long day, felt like a reward. In all honesty, it felt like I had to kind of hold myself back from taking more than I needed. And yeah, now that I am in my third trimester, my reflux is back, but not as difficult as my first trimester, because my first trimester, it was crazy. But alhamdulillah, this was sorting everything out for me. I 100% recommend this, but first consult your doctor if this is okay for you to take. But yeah, I 100% recommend this. Stretch marks. Let's talk about stretch marks, guys. With my first pregnancy, I didn't really get much stretch marks. By the way, I'm not saying these products I'm about to mention are going to get rid of your stretch marks, not in your wildest dreams, because one, stretch marks are kind of inevitable if you have them in your genes. For me, we have that in my family. Stretch marks is something we have in my family, so I knew I was going to get stretch marks. But with my first pregnancy, thankfully, alhamdulillah, I didn't really get much. I only got some on the side of my stomach, around here at the back. That was where I got the most stretch marks. For the most part, my skin on the stomach didn't really stretch as much. But oh boy, with this pregnancy, baby, let me tell you guys, And by the way, guys, I have literally been consistent with these products. So I have these two combinations. This is the Palmer's Stretch Mark Cream and the Bio-oil. I have been very, I think this is my second bottle or my third. I did have, oh yeah, this is my second bottle because I had the bigger one and I ran out of that one, got this one, and have been using it since then. And with the Bio-oil, same as the Bio-oil, I have been using this combination for probably since the beginning of my pregnancy, because I knew I was going to stretch this time. My skin, I did mention in one of my videos that after having my first baby, I got diastasis recti, which is like the opening of the stomach muscles, where your stomach doesn't really go back to its original position after birth. So yeah, with this pregnancy, I knew my body was going to stretch more because there's more room for it to stretch. That is, there's no muscle holding the baby in place. So I knew it was going to stretch more. But the itching, guys, the itching. So for the most part, this didn't work with the stretch marks because I have like 1,000,001 stretch marks now. And I have been using it in conjunction with with this product, hyaluronic acid. This is for hydration, and I introduced this into the routine. When the itching got out of hand, basically it was itching like crazy. But alhamdulillah, ever since I introduced this and I was consistent with especially the cream, the itching reduced a lot. So yeah, for the most part, I guess they work for me. You know, as your skin stretches, it dries out. So it's good that this is there to kind of introduce back hydration, and then this as well. So it's just kind of like your face, what you do with your face: serum, cream, and then oil. The creams do help a lot for those who are not likely to get stretch marks, you know. At the beginning of the second trimester, I was using my a pregnancy belt, like a support belt, to help carry my belly. It's just like a hug for your stomach, basically. You know, there are different types of pregnancy bellies. Some are round, some are like outwards. Mine is that outward type of belly. For my body frame, my stomach is actually bigger than you would think I can carry. But anyway, because it comes outward, it's kind of it's very heavy for me to carry around, so I need support. Pregnancy support belt has been helping me throughout the entire pregnancy, and well, not anymore because it's not in my size anymore. I have to get a bigger one, but again, I'm at the end, kind of at the end of the pregnancy, and I still do need the help if I can get it. If I can get another, I'm just too lazy, to be honest. I'm just too lazy to get another belt. But next item, this is also going to be a skincare item, but this time it's for my face. If you guys have been here for a while, you guys know how much I love my retinol for my skin, my face. But of course, with pregnancy, retinol is not safe for you, or no, it's not safe for the baby, not you. And yeah, a great substitute that I found, which I found recommendations online. I wasn't really searching for this product, in all honesty. I know about the product, I know about the magic of the product, but I felt like there's nothing that can compare to my retinol, you know what I mean? But yeah, I bought some skincare items, and this was sent to me in like a sample size, and since then I have been using it, and I did my research. It was safe. It is safe to use in pregnancy. Like, this is Biosan's resurfacing night serum. It has squalene and lactic acid in it, and I can't stress enough how much this product has changed my skin since I started using it, the sample size that is. Like I said, I have heard so many good reviews about the product, but I didn't think it was this great. I introduced it into my skincare about a couple of months ago, and since then, guys, my skin has been amazing. And alhamdulillah, at the beginning of my pregnancy, my skin was doing really good. I was glowing. My skin, you guys saw in my pregnancy announcement video, there wasn't much happening to my skin. I did have my spots that that were there before, but for the most part my skin was doing amazing. Now came the second trimester and all hell broke loose. My skin was going through it. I was breaking out so much around my jawline. So second trimester came, my face was doing really bad, so I kind of slowed down on my skincare. I was just using simple face wash, like literally the brand Simple face wash, which is even my sister's face wash. I switched on to that, and I tried not to do much with my skin. Basically, this product was sent to me in the this is the full size, by the way. In the sample size, I started using that. After like a week or two, I started seeing difference in my skin. My pores were getting smaller, my breakouts were getting less and less visible. I was getting less breakouts than usual, and right now I can tell you, I know this camera like kind of blurs out my face, but literally I have no breakout on my skin, and my skin is so smooth and radiant. I did get a little darker, but that's due to pregnancy, of course. But literally my skin is probably at its all-time best. We have deep heat, something as basic as a deep heat. Naturally I do have back pain, but with this pregnancy, whew, my back pain was so terrible, to the point that I was having sleepless nights. Sometimes I'll have to sleep on the floor. Like I do that a lot of the times when my back hurts, but this time it was very consistent because of the pregnancy. I couldn't sleep on the bed. Nothing was comfortable for me. I would recommend you speak with your doctor before you start using products like this, because they are not really advised to be used during pregnancy. But my doctor cleared me to use this cream. This little product, I've gone through probably like 3 or 4 of this. But yeah, this has been amazing, and I love this particular brand. I love this for my back. Every night before I go to bed, I get a back rub using this product, and it helped me fall asleep basically. But when it wears off, then I have to wake up in the middle of the night and twist and turn, and you know, of course, with pregnancy you can't really sleep on your back. You only have to sleep on your sides. And right now I have noticed that I have been getting pains on my ribs. It's probably as a result of the weight of the stomach, which takes me to the next product, my pregnancy pillow. This right here has been my best friend the entire pregnancy. Why am I like this? Why am I like this, guys? But anyway, I can't speak highly enough. I can't stress enough how amazing this product is. It's not the best when it comes to quality. It's not really the best. This is from the brand Tummy Tippy, I believe. I find out that I don't know, as you can see, it's all beaten up. I don't know if well, I find out that if I sleep on this side of the neck, as you can see over here, it's flat on this side of the pillow, and then whatever is inside, all the cushioning or whatever is inside, tends to like come down here, or sometimes it comes down here. But I kind of like beat the pillow and smooth things out. But for the most part, it has been amazing throughout my pregnancy. I'll insert a picture of how it looks when you wrap your body around it, so you guys have an idea. And of course, when the moment that the moment the pillow goes in between the legs for support, it's the best feeling. But this definitely is probably the one thing I will say you need in your pregnancy journey, from the beginning to the end, always by my side. And I find my husband enjoying this pillow as well. Sometimes I see him kind of like hugging himself to the pillow as well. So yeah, 2 in 1, not just for me but for the husband as well. So the next product, exercise. I also found this in Miniso. I just randomly picked it up. At the end of my first trimester, I started having pelvic pain. There's something called symphysis pelvic dysfunction, pubis dysfunction, something like that. SPD, I think. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, I was diagnosed with that at my second trimester. That's a condition where your pelvic bones are basically too stiff to move properly, to move evenly. It's what causes the penguin walk you see in pregnant women. That happens usually at the end of the third trimester, but for me it started at the second trimester, and I was finding it difficult to sit, to stand, to walk. The only time I could get comfortable I think that was in my second trimester and the beginning of my third trimester. If I want to be comfortable is in heels, so I need to wear like a block heel or something higher, a little bit higher to lift me up. That was the only time I could get comfortable, but on flats it was terrible. It didn't make sense, to be honest. It didn't make sense, but that's just the reality of my situation. I was more comfortable in heels than I was in flats or slippers. But yeah, I believe it's called a pelvic exercise ring. I'm not exactly sure, so I do some exercises here and there. I don't do them anymore. At this stage in my pregnancy, it's not advised that I do this exercise, but it helped me throughout the second trimester. Whenever I did the exercise, it helped me a lot. Guys, a clothing item. I think I'll generalize this. I think most Africans have this in their kind of like a clothing attire, and I kid you not, I have lived in this the entire pregnancy. Whenever I'm home, this is what I wear. I have like 10 or more of this, and by the way, that's not even enough for me. This has been the most comfortable outfit for me to wear, literally the most comfortable, the only outfit I can wear and feel good in it. Nothing fits me anymore. Literally no pants fit me, no tops fit me. I used to wear my husband's t-shirts. They don't fit me anymore. The clothing that I had when I was pregnant with Zayn, that I had made for me to wear just in case I was going out, something a bit more dressy to wear out but comfortable, nothing fits me. The only comfortable things I can fit into these dresses. I kid you not, I recycle this. Like, I wear this every day of the week probably. Today I'm dressing up for you guys. I'm saying all this to say that this right here you need in your life. And by the way, with this one, I am so happy about it having buttons here, because even after the pregnancy, when the baby arrives, I can still wear this and feed the baby in this. You need this in your life. It's comfortable, it's breathable, it's very lightweight, and it covers the body. You know what I mean? Feels good. These are all the products that I love. I believe that is all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful to some of you guys. Some of the new mommies coming. One moment. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what has been your biggest challenge. With every pregnancy, it's different. With everybody, it's different. So yeah, I would love to know how you guys are going, how your pregnancy went or is going through. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.